Today, class, I will be demonstrating how to create a PowerPoint about yourself. You would open PowerPoint and select New and choose any template or theme that you would want to choose. From there, you can add new slides, any different slide that you would like to choose. And you would begin. It's a PowerPoint about yourself, so you would do your introduction on your first page and maybe even add a photo of yourself where it says click icon to add picture. You can scroll through your pictures, videos, music, but we are looking for a photo. And you could write something about yourself, your name, age, hobbies, where you're from. You could also create another slide on the next page and talk about your family, how many people you have in them, and so on and so forth. You will also click the photo icon again and find another photo. And talk about what that family member means to you. You can also change colors in the design area at the top. You can also change your font as well as the size of your font. If you want your font, you would double click. If you want your font bold, italicized, underscore, and you can also change the color.